In this video, I'll show you how to fix a USB flash drive showing two partitions in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. Click This PC. If your USB flash drive is showing two drive letters, remember the drive letter of the second partition. Now, right-click the Start button. Select Disk Management. Find the second partition on your USB flash drive. Right-click the second partition. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Select the drive letter. Click Remove. Click Yes to confirm. Close Disk Management. Open File Explorer again. The second partition will no longer appear in File Explorer, but the partition will still exist on the USB flash drive. That's it. This is how you can remove the second USB flash drive partition from File Explorer in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.